There are over 1.5 million kids in child labor, so you can eat cheap chocolate. You see, Big Chocolate pays their farmers so little that they make less than $1 a day on average. And as a result, 45% of children in cocoa communities work in illegal child labor. And I want to tell you 3 things that Feastables is doing to get these kids out of child labor. First, we pay 100% of our cacao farmers a living income reference price, which is a benchmark set by Fair Trade to ensure farmers earn enough where they can afford housing, food, and other basic necessities. Second, 100% of our cacao is Fair Trade certified, which is the gold standard for ethical certification. They have rigorous standards that protects the livelihoods of small farmers and farm workers. And third, the farms Feastables work with are actively implementing child labor monitoring and remediation systems so the kids can get off the farms and into schools. So the next time you're in an American chocolate aisle, you have a
আমেরিকান চকলেট আইলে যাবে, তোমরা সিদ্ধান্ত নিও বর্তমান অবস্থা সমর্থন করবে নাকি ফেস্টিভ্যালস খাবে এবং বলবে এবার যথেষ্ট হয়েছে। চকলেটের উৎসকে যত্ন করো। প্রায় 1.5 মিলিয়নেরও বেশি শিশু শ্রমিক আছে, সেই জন্য তোমরা চকলেট কম দামে খেতে পারো। বড় চকলেট কোম্পানি তাদের শ্রমিকদের খুবই কম